Epson's new EH-QS100 projector raises the bar for home entertainment. With 3 LCD laser technology and unprecedented brightness, this model allows you to create a large-format home cinema without the need to completely darken the room. Its compact design and ultra-short throw make it easy to install in any space, while its 4K resolution and high contrast ensure cinematic image quality. 4K frame interpolation eliminates blurring in fast-action scenes, offering an immersive viewing experience. The EH-QS100 is more than a projector, it is the centerpiece of a complete entertainment system. Its versatile connectivity and compatibility with various content sources make it an ideal choice for movie and gaming enthusiasts. Additional considerations. Target audience. Tailor the language and level of technical detail to the audience you are targeting, tech enthusiasts, general consumers, etc. Context. Consider the context in which the translation will be used, web page, article, press release, etc. Tone. Maintain a tone consistent with the Epson brand and the type of product being promoted, innovative, premium, etc. Technical terminology. 3 LCD laser projector, projection technology that delivers high brightness and accurate colors. Throw ratio, distance between the projector and the screen required to obtain an image of a given size. f1.8 lens, increases brightness and improves image quality. Frame interpolation, technique that creates intermediate frames to smooth out motion. HDR, high dynamic range, image format that offers a greater range of brightness and contrast.